Ito ang mensahe ng iyong past person, Leo. I want to feel that way again. I am becoming a better person. I couldn't let you get close to me. Finding out the truth crushed me. I love you unconditionally. I am afraid to contact you. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. As soon as I choose to see the light in the dark corners, I redirect my power toward what I want. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na basta magdasal ka lang palagi para magabayan ka sa tamang path na gusto mong